Thank you for watching the Racing Simulator setup and use video. First, remove the front cover from the Racing Simulator. This will give you access to the electrical and components of the Racing Simulator. Remove the monitor and soundbar from the carry bag and place them in the posts of the Racing Simulator chassis. Find the 4 connector cables you will need: power for the soundbar, HDMI for monitor, power for the monitor, and the optical audio cable. Connect the soundbar by aligning the male and female plugs and screwing them together. Insert the HDMI cable into the HDMI 2 port on the back of the monitor. Insert the monitor power cable. And finally, plug the optical audio cable into input 1 on the soundbar. Uncoil the electrical surge protector cable and plug it into a reliable power source. Press the red reset button on the surge protector to supply power to the simulator components. If the monitor does not turn on automatically, press the power button on the back of the unit and make a reference to the input button, as you will use it in a bit. Looking at the front of the monitor, press the input button. If HDMI 2 is not highlighted, repeatedly press the input button until it is. Power on the soundbar. It will show volume levels and input status. If the input does not say optical 1, press the far right F key until it does. At this time, power on the Xbox gaming system. The system is shipped in an offline mode, so any prompts before game load are to tell you just that. Press the A button on the steering wheel to clear them. Launch Forza Motorsport 6. If it is not already highlighted, use the arrow buttons on the left of the steering wheel to do so, and press the A button. The game will take some time to load, but will come to a screen asking you to press A to start. Any prompts to sign in as a user can be cleared by pressing A again. When the game finally loads, press A to access the menu. Here you can use the paddles on the back side of the wheel to move between tabbed menus and the arrow buttons to move within these menus. Toggle to the Go Race menu and move down to Free Play and press A. This takes you into free play mode. Arrow right to select Track menu. Here, you can select tracks from around the world, including what we use most, the Indianapolis Motor Speedway Oval. After selecting the track, move to and select Game Options. You can adjust the gameplay in any way you wish, and for this demonstration, we will set the number of laps to 1 and press A to accept the changes. Arrow over to highlight Start Race and press A. This loads the race and gives you a number of other options, including the Assists tab. Highlight the Assists tab. These options will make the race more or less difficult depending upon what you choose, and full descriptions are on the right of the screen. Press A to accept any option changes you made and arrow over to Start Race. Pressing A at this point will begin your actual racing experience. At the end of each race, press A to continue through each of the scoring screens. When your race menu returns to the screen, do not press A on the next race. Instead, arrow over to restart the race, and all of your options will be saved and your next player can move right in. Your basic setup is complete at this time. Affix the front cover to hide your wires and the components. The simulator can be set up to accommodate most sizes of drivers. We can change the steering wheel, the foot pedals, and the seating position. The steering wheel can be moved back and forth by unlocking the slide lock. Careful of your connector cables. The pedals can also be moved front to back and locked into place. The seat 2 is fully adjustable, front to back, and reclining. Thank you for watching and enjoy your racing experience.